Rohan was one of the brightest students in his school. His teachers praised him, his classmates admired him, and his parents were proud of him. Every year he stood among the top students in class. His father, a hardworking mechanic, often told people, "My son will become a great engineer one day." Rohan also loved making his father smile. Even after school, he spent hours studying and solving difficult mathematics problems. But everything began to change the day his friend introduced him to a mobile game. "At least try it once," his friend said during lunch break. "It's super fun." Rohan played for just 10 minutes that day, but those 10 minutes became 1 hour at home. Then 1 hour became 3. Soon the game was all he could think about. At first, he believed he was in control. "I will only play after studying," he promised himself. But slowly, his routine started breaking apart. Instead of waking up early to revise lessons, he stayed awake late at night, playing games. His homework became incomplete. He stopped paying attention in the class. Even while eating dinner, he secretly watched gaming videos on his phone. His mother noticed the change first. "Rohan, you look tired these days," she said gently. "I am fine, Mom," he replied without looking up from his screen. Weeks passed, and his exam results shocked everyone. The boy who once scored above 90% had barely passed several subjects. His teachers were disappointed. "Rohan, what happened to you?" one teacher asked sadly. Rohan had no answer. At home, his father silently looked at the report card. The room felt heavy with silence. His father's rough hands, tired from repairing machines all day, trembled slightly as he held the paper. "I work day and night so you can have a better future," he said quietly. "If you destroy your own future, how can I help you?" For the first time, Rohan noticed the pain in his father's eyes. That night, he could not sleep. He looked around his small room. His books were covered in dust. His notebooks were unfinished. But his mobile game had reached the highest level. Suddenly, he realized something painful. He had spent hundreds of hours winning virtual battles while losing the real battle of his life. The next morning, Rohan made a difficult decision. He deleted the game. It was not easy. Again and again he felt the urge to reinstall it. Sometimes his hands automatically reached for the phone. Sometimes he became restless and irritated. But every time he remembered his father's disappointed face, he stopped himself. Instead of playing games for hours, he started making small changes. He created a simple timetable: 2 hours for study, 30 minutes for entertainment, no phone during meals, no gaming before sleep. At first, the progress was slow. His concentration was weak, and his marks did not improve immediately. Some classmates laughed at him. "Look, who suddenly became serious again," they joked. But this time, Rohan did not give up. Day after day, he stayed disciplined. Slowly, his confidence returned. His teachers noticed his efforts. His homework became complete again. He started answering questions in class. Most importantly, he began respecting his own time. Months later, the final exam results were announced. Rohan was not the top student in school anymore, but he had improved greatly. His marks were strong, and he had earned back the trust of his teachers and parents. When he reached home with the result, his father smiled proudly. "I am happy because you fought against yourself and won," he said. Rohan smiled too. That day he understood a powerful truth. Success is not destroyed in one day, and it is not rebuilt in one day either. Small daily habits quietly shape our future. From then on, Rohan still used his phone and sometimes even played games, but he never allowed them to control his life again, because he had finally learned the importance of discipline, balance, and time.